me. Wasn't joking, it's the way it was. Bankroll, I should probably let it go. What it was, it's cold. Said you let me. Wasn't joking, it's the way it was. JT on the track with you. Only been a few hours, but it felt like days. Only been days, but it felt like months. Been gone for a year, only go like once. Life moves fast when you do what you want. At this time, doing what I want. Hope you doing what you want. What you want?
My new bitch look like Halle Berry. But she don't.
Hey, thank you for choosing Dunkin'. Would you like a chair or pumpkin spice signature latte today?
No, thank you. I actually did a mobile order for Miranda.
Thanks for choosing Annika. You can go to move forward.
Thank you.
You have a mobile order for Miranda?
Yes.
You want to start with this?
Yes, please.
Have a great day.
Thank you so much. Ooh, taste test. Perfect. Jesus Christ. Woo! Yeah, that's good. What's up, y'all? It's your girl Randa G here with another video. So I guess we have a lot to catch up on. Yes, your girl is a ginger now. I got my hair done yesterday. I did not vlog me getting my hair done, but I did like little short clips because I'm probably gonna make like a TikTok or a reel, you know. So I do apologize because I neglected YouTube, but I can always just insert the TikTok, you know, if y'all want to see the process. But it came out beautiful. It is officially silk press season, so you know, I do not have curly hair right now, but really loving the straight hair, really loving this color on me because I've never done color before. Okay, I've never bleached, none of that. Like, if you see color on me, it's a wig, it's a weave, you know. But this is me, all me. Really excited to give the girlies some looks with this hair, and it came out real nice. Shout out to Kayla. We always give the girls looks. I send her a picture and she always executed in the best way, so shout out to her. Love her. But I think this video will probably be like Reset Sunday. I am currently at Aldi's as always. Y'all see me, I just got my Dunkin'. I need to get some groceries. I haven't went grocery shopping in what feels like 2 weeks. That's not like me. I like to keep my fridge full and my pantry full, you know, snacks, food. It's really my fault though. I really haven't been in the mood for cooking. I think last week I only cooked once. I cooked some baked chicken and some baked squash and zucchini, and then we honestly have been living off of sandwiches and the taco truck once a week. We have been to the taco truck, but yeah, so I haven't really feel like cooking, which sucks because y'all know I love to cook, but I haven't been in the mood, and I don't know why. It could be because I haven't had any groceries in the house. That might be something, but also too, like, I haven't even felt like coming to Aldi's to get the groceries so I can cook. So I'm trying to start this week off fresh. Like I said, it's Sunday. I'm gonna get me some grocery. I'm gonna cook for football Sunday. I think I'm gonna do like some cute hors d'oeuvres. I'm probably gonna do like meatballs. I might do macaroni, maybe, I don't know. Macaroni. I did see this like Caesar salad pasta, because you know how they have like pasta salad, but it's like the Caesar salad, pasta salad. I kind of want to try that. I seen this like this sandwich, this like little slider sandwich that you can make. Might make that. So, you know, just little stuff like that I want to try, and what better way to try than on Sunday. Definitely want to get like some avocados for my avocado toast and all that good jazz, because I'm still on my health kick. I am, because with those sandwiches we were living off of, I was eating my multi-grain bread. So so you know, I'm still on my health kick. I would like to cook more, you know, just so we can have a little more meal prepping, some more togetherness, stuff like that. But I'm just rambling now. It's so good to see y'all. I don't know why I feel like I haven't picked up in the camera in a while. I guess because I haven't picked up the camera since, yeah, a whole week. Wow. So yeah, hey y'all. Hey y'all. Yeah, it feel like I haven't talked to y'all in so long, because I haven't. And it's also too, it's because I have pre-recorded videos too, so that's been saving me a little bit, is already having a video in the queue. But so happy to see y'all, so happy to talk with y'all. But let's go get some groceries. All right, y'all, I'm back home. I put all the groceries up and now I am cooking. So let me show y'all what we got. So I have the meat. This is salami and pepperoni. This is ham. This is lettuce, banana pepper, pickles, red onion. I also used Duke mayonnaise, and also I used this sub dressing. I also have Hawaiian rolls that we're gonna use, and also I have cheese. So yeah, I just seen this like recipe on Facebook. Let me see if I can find it. I found like, can y'all see? This recipe on Facebook. It's a Facebook reel. And I'm just gonna try to make it today, because look how good that look, y'all. Come on now. I ain't gonna lie, the only thing I might add though, I'm probably gonna add tomatoes, but not till after like everything is baked and all that stuff, because I ain't gonna lie, I like tomato on my sandwich. That's just me. But since I already made the salad, I'm gonna go ahead and bake the Hawaiian rolls, because you're supposed to bake the bottom, and then I'm gonna throw these into a saucepan. So let's go.
Customers can find a plan for $10 or less per month with financial help. Healthcare.gov is here for you. Enroll today for coverage starting the 1st of next month.
What's the website again?
Healthcare.gov.
Back out there, he's got that. We were talking during the break. You think maybe the IV was put in on that forearm?
Well, that's what we're trying to figure out. We had the wristband before he went out because they're going to have to administer an IV somewhere. So if
Ahmed is in the backfield. Then go down the move. Nice block there by Hunt. Time for Tua. Here to Carolina.
caught him running past him, so putting the brakes on a comeback just made a lot of sense.
Dolphins are looking for their first 5-1 start to a season in 21 years. First and 10. All the motion. Ahmed. And a good stop in there by Deion Jones, who makes the grab. Gain of 2. By the way, Frankie Louvu did walk off under his own. We were looking at him last.
It was all about me. Your turn.
Good morning, y'all. It is the next day. It is Monday morning. I am actually on the way to work. So just to recap, we created that beautiful Italian slider, y'all. It was chef kiss. It was so good. I did add tomatoes. Tomatoes wasn't on the original recipe I saw, but I mean, I'm a tomato girly, especially on my sandwiches. Like, how are you eating a sandwich with no tomato? You know, like lettuce, tomato. To me, it just goes. It just goes. I don't know. So I added tomatoes, and it was so good. B liked it too. The only thing about B is, like, example, sweet potato souffle, right? Majority of people just eat that with their meal, right? Like, because like when I think of souffle, like for Thanksgiving, you know, you have sweet potato souffle, you have your greens, your turkey, your macaroni, you know, you eat all of that together, right? And if you eat like your stuff like individually, that's fine, but at the end of the day, it's like all of that is your main course meal. For B, he'll save that for dessert. That's not a part of the meal, right? Like, he do not understand how people eat sweets with the main course. If to him, like, in his mind, sweet mean dessert. And I mean, I guess I'm not knocking his knowledge. That makes plenty of sense. But I'm not gonna lie, like, black people eat with sugar in their food all the time. Like a lot of black people, we gonna go for the sugar before we go to the salt, because most likely we throwing sugar in there because we added too much salt. You know what I'm saying? Like, we trying to balance out the flavors. So, like, I hear him, but being a woman raised by black women who threw sugar in their food, I mean, if you get it, you get it. If you don't, I get it, you don't. It's okay. But yeah, so that was his only complaint, because I used Hawaiian rolls and they didn't have any of the savory butter. I think if I would have had the savory butter, he would have liked it more. But I ain't gonna lie, that's the first thing he said to me. He was like, why is this sweet? And I said, because it's Hawaiian rolls. He was like, oh. Which he didn't say it was bad. He said it was good. He said the sweetness caught him off guard. So whatever. But yeah, And then we did laundry. Laundry was cool. And then I kind of got caught up because it's Sunday football. So me and B were on the couch and watching football. And I really didn't have anything else planned. And I guess that's why I didn't pick up the camera. Don't get me wrong. I really did want to go wash my car. That would have been nice. I did clean up the kitchen, which y'all didn't see. But I sometimes have to figure out the balance between being in the moment and recording content. I probably will always have a fight with myself. I'm actually proud of myself for picking up the camera today. Y'all know I don't record during the week, but I like talking to the camera while I'm driving. It's a vibe, you know? This Jeep look like they got something going on. Okay, and then like it's that weird time where like the sun is coming up a little later, so it's like I get to see the sunrise on my way to work, and it's a nice little vibe going on right now, you know, y'all. So I did not go to the gym today because y'all know I got my hair done. I got a silk press, right? I gotta figure out how to go to the gym and not sweat out my edges. I've been on TikTok and the girlies say I need to get this. It's called a gym wrap. I think by Nicole Parker. I think that's her name. Please, y'all, don't eat me up in the comments. I think that's her name. But anyway, the TikTok girlies say I need to go get that gym wrap. So I guess that's about to be on my agenda. I'm about to get on Amazon to get that head wrap. So I probably won't get to the gym until probably like the end of this week, which doesn't feel right because you know, I go to the gym every day. Yeah, I go to the gym every day. But I mean, I spent too much on this hair to sweat it out like that. And I really don't want to put heat on it to fix it. Like, don't get me wrong, if it need heat, I'll put heat on it. But if I can prevent putting heat on it, I'm not gonna put heat on it. Which I was talking to my hairdresser about becoming more heat trained with my hair. I don't know, I miss her straight. I know it's gonna be hard living in Charleston just because of the humidity, especially when it gets warm. But I feel like when the humidity hit, I just need to get braids. Point blank period. I need to get braids. I can get soft locks, whatever the case may be, because I love being a natural hair girl. My hair has been so strong and thick, and you know, it's probably the most healthiest state it has been, right? Also too, because I've never done color before. But it's also very hard to manage if you don't really have the time. Trying to detangle every day and style, and trying to not manipulate it as much. Make sure you add your oils, all the products. It can be a lot. It can be very overwhelming, and then you already have to deal with life on top of that, which I know people is like hair is not that big of a deal, but I mean, you don't want to walk out looking crazy either. So it kind of is a big deal if you care about your appearance. So I don't know, it's something I'm still thinking about. I just something's gotta give. But I just wanted to talk to y'all for a little bit. Like I said, I didn't get to close out the vlog yesterday, so hit like and subscribe, turn on your notifications so you don't miss the next video. I'll see y'all next Sunday. Bye.
Hey.